Do you know human can produce enough saliva to fill 2 bathtubs a year? Or do you know an adult's blood vessels could circle Earth's equator 4 times? Watch this video till the end to know more interesting facts about human body, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Data is Everything. So let's start our today's topic, mind-blowing facts about the human body. 1. It's possible to brush your teeth too aggressively. Doing so can wear down enamel and make teeth sensitive to hot and cold foods. 2. Goosebumps evolved to make our ancestors' hair stand up, making them appear more threatening to predators. 3. Wisdom teeth serve no purpose. They're left over from hundreds of thousands of years ago. As early humans' brains grew bigger, it reduced space in the mouth, crowding out this third set of molars. 4. Scientists aren't exactly sure why we yawn, but it may help regulate body temperature. 5. Your fingernails don't actually grow after you're dead. 6. If they were laid end to end, all of the blood vessels in the human body would encircle the Earth 4 times. 7. Humans are the only animals with chins. 8. As you breathe, most of the air is going in and out of one nostril. Every few hours, the workload shifts to the other nostril. 9. Blood makes up about 8% of your total body weight. 10. The human nose can detect about 1 trillion smells. 11. You have 2 kidneys, but only one is necessary to live. 12. Belly buttons grow special hairs to catch lint. 13. The satisfying sound of cracking your knuckles comes from gas bubbles bursting in your joints. 14. Skin is the body's largest organ and can comprise 15% of a person's total weight. 15. Thumbs have their own pulse. 16. Your tongue is made up of 8 interwoven muscles, similar in structure to an elephant's trunk or an octopus's tentacle. 17. On a genetic level, all human beings are more than 99% identical. 18. The foot is one of the most ticklish parts of the body. 19. Extraocular muscles in the eye are the body's fastest muscles. They allow both of your eyes to flick in the same direction in a single 50 millisecond movement. 20. A surgical procedure called a selective amygdalo-hippocampectomy removes half of the brain's amygdala, and with it, the patient's sense of fear. 21. The pineal gland, which secretes the hormone melatonin, got its name from its shape, which resembles a pine nut. 22. Hair grows fast, about 6 inches per year. The only thing in the body that grows faster is bone marrow. 23. No one really knows what fingerprints are for, but they might help wick water away from our hands, prevent blisters, or improve touch. 24. The heart beats more than 3 billion times in the average human lifespan. 25. Blushing is caused by a rush of adrenaline. 26. The only part of the body that has no blood supply is the cornea of the eye. It receives oxygen directly from the air. 27. The human brain has a memory capacity which is the equivalent of more than 4 terabytes on a hard drive. 28. A newborn child can breathe and swallow at the same time for up to 7 months. 29. Your skull is made up of 29 different bones. 30. Nerve impulses sent from the brain move at a speed of 400 kilometers per hour. 31. A single human brain generates more electrical impulses in a day than all the telephones of the world combined. 32. The average human body contains enough sulphur to kill all the fleas on the average dog, enough carbon to make 900 pencils, enough potassium to fire a toy cannon, enough fat to make 7 bars of soap and enough water to fill a 50-liter barrel. 33. The human heart pumps 182 million liters of blood during the average lifetime. 34. Women's hearts beat faster than men's. 35. Right-handed people live, on average, 9 years longer than left-handed people. 36. The total length of all the blood vessels in the human body is about 100,000 kilometers. 37. By the end of a person's life, they can recall, on average, around 150 trillion pieces of information. 38. We lose 80% of our body heat from the head. 39. A feeling of thirst occurs when water loss is equal to 1% of your body weight. The loss of more than 5% can cause fainting, and more than 10% causes death from dehydration. 40. Human beings are the only living things which sleep on their backs. 41. Teeth are the only part of the human body which cannot heal themselves. 42. If allowed to grow for their whole lifetime, the length of someone's hair would be about 725 kilometers. 43. If you collected all the iron contained in the human body, you would get just a small cog, big enough only for use in your watch. 44. 100,000 chemical reactions occur in the human brain every second. 45. The human heart pumps blood at such pressure that it would be able to raise blood up to the 4th floor of a building. 46. The average human adult has 2,000 to 4,000 taste buds. 47. Our skin has 1,000 different species of bacteria on it. 48. Our strongest and longest bone is your femur. 49. We have between 2 and 5 million sweat glands, and the more active we are, the more we sweat. That's because the body recognizes that we need to cool off so we can continue to work out again. 50. Our brain is sometimes more active when we are asleep than when you're awake. 51. We lose about 4 kilograms of skin cells every year. 52. Your left lung is about 10% smaller than your right one. 53. Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. 54. Scientists estimate that the nose can recognize 1 trillion different scents. 55. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. 56. An average person breathes in around 11,000 liters of air every day. 57. Your sense of smell is around 10,000 times more sensitive than your sense of taste. 58. Around 80% of what we think is taste is actually smell. Flavor is a combination of taste and smell perception. 59. The brain of an adult human weighs around 3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. Although it makes up just 2% of the body's weight, it uses around 20% of its energy. 60. Grouping human blood types can be a difficult process, and there are currently around 30 recognized blood types, or blood groups. You might be familiar with the more simplified, ABO, system which categorizes blood types under O, A, B and AB. 61. A large amount of the dust in your home is actually dead skin. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. 62. As well as having unique fingerprints, humans also have unique tongue prints. 63. Nephrons, the kidney's filtering units, clean the blood in the human body in about 45 minutes and send about 6 cups of urine, 2,000 milliliters, to the bladder every day. 64. While awake, your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb. 65. Our brain is programmed to erect the inverted image formed on our retina by the convex eye lens. A newborn baby sees the world upside down till its brain starts erecting it. 66. As people get older, their skin gets thinner, drier, and less elastic, hence wrinkles start appearing. That's it in this video. Soon we will be in another video with another interesting topic. Share this video with others and don't forget to subscribe. Data is everything.